Minista wa ukui na bara kipchumba murkomen umuthi ni aniriire utongoria mweru ruhongeini rwa ukui wa ndege na akiaria thutha wa gwikinyia kiharo-ini kia ndege kia JKIA guthurima mihango thutha wayo gutharara kurumirira kura wa thitima. Murkomen ni augite ona mogaruruku mangi matanyitwo kuhanika thiini wa kiharo giki. Mwangi wa Murugi ari na ripoti ino makiria.
Accompany me to see the preparations we are making, and I want to thank Mr. Gogo, Abel, and the team at the JKIA.
Minista wa ukui na bara kipchumba murkomen ni aniriire gucenjia kwa utongoria ruhongeini rwa ukui wa ndege guku bururi-ini.
When I appointed the new board, I made it clear that they must reorganize the workforce and end the culture of having many of our officers holding key positions, serving in acting capacity in perpetuity.
Akiaria thutha wa gwikinyia kiharo-ini kinene kia ukui wa ndege kia JKIA guthurima mihango thutha wa kuragwo thitima guthararia mihango kiharo-ini giki, Murkomen ni augite ati kwa ihinda ruhonge ruru ni rukoretwo rukigomerwo ni utongoria muru hamwe na kuingirirwo ni ateti.
The last few years, Kenya Airports Authority has faced a series of mishaps occasioned by management challenges and political interference that has resulted into a demoralized and disorganized workforce.
Itemini ria kwagirithia utungata ruhonge-ini ruru na gucokia riri waruo, Murkomen ni augite ati ruhonge ruru ni rwambikite wandikithia wa maabitha na atongoria matari a kandarathi, undu uria ugutiri ihinda-ini ria ciumia igiri njuku.
The institution has since begun the process of hiring permanent staff to take these positions in an exercise that will be concluded within the next 2 weeks.
Gukiri uguo, Murkomen ni aniriire gutigithio wira kwa murugamiriri munene ruhonge-ini ruru Alex Gitari ithenya-ini riake rikio ni Henry Ogoe uria ugutongoria kwa ihinda.
Pursuant to the challenges facing Kenya Airports Authority, we have made the following changes in consultation with the board of directors. Mutual consent. The contract of Mr. Alex Gitari, who has been the managing director of Kenya Airports Authority, has been terminated. In his place, Mr. Henry Ogoe, currently serving as the head of corporate planning, has been appointed to be the acting managing director of the Kenya Airports Authority.
Oho, kandarathi ya Fred Adawo na uria uratungataga atanya bara wa tabarira itiganite ruhonge-ini ruru ni iteaniirio ithenya riake rikio ni engineer Samuel Mwachache.
A mutual consent again, the contract of Engineer Fred Odawa, who has been the general manager, project and engineering services, has been terminated, and his place, Engineer Samuel Mwachache, has been appointed in an acting capacity.
No na kuri uguo, Murkomen ni athanite kuheana gukwa motaro kuri aruti a wira niguo gukoragwo na hinya makiruta wira uguo ugukinyaniria utungata mwega.
I have further directed the board to work on the staff attitude, mentorship and motivation to improve productivity.
Mogaruruku mangi matafanitio ni hamwe na Abel Gogo na uria urari nyabara wa kiharo kia JKIA guthamirio kiharo-ini kia Mombasa, Serena Gol uria uratungataga kiharo-ini gia Githumo agithamirio kiharo-ini giki kia JKIA nake Peter Wafula kuma Mombasa agithamirio nginyanagia kiharo-ini gia Githumo. Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV riakwa ni Mwangi wa Murugi.